Welcome to LingoNaut. How can I assist you in your learning journey today?
Hello, I'd like to practice speaking French by role-playing a customer ordering at a coffee shop.
Bonjour. In this scenario, you will be the customer ordering a coffee. Here are some phrases you might find useful. 1. Bonjour. Je voudrais une petite déjeuner, s'il vous plaît. Good morning. I would like a breakfast, please. 2. Je vais prendre un café au lait, s'il vous plaît. I will have a coffee with milk, please. 3. Quel est prix pour un croissant au chocolat? What is the price for a chocolate croissant? 4. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Feel free to use these phrases as you see fit in the roleplay. Remember, there's no need for perfection. Just practice and enjoy the conversation. When you're ready, I can act as the coffee shop vendor and engage in a role-play scenario with you.
Je voudrais un café au lait, s'il vous plaît.
Bien sûr, messieurs, madame. Un café au lait est préparé avec du café et de lait chaud. Vous souhaitez un café au lait chaud, alors je vous le servirai immédiatement, chaud ça même. A coffee with milk is made from coffee and hot milk. You want a hot coffee with milk, so I will serve it to you right away. Now it's your turn to play the role of the coffee shop vendor and engage in a conversation with me. When you're ready, just let me know.